This is a 2010 Volkswagen Passat. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a turbocharger, a locking differential, a built-in iPod integration cable, heated washer fluid, alloy wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a chrome grille, front and rear floor mats, fog lamps, halogen headlights, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 51,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This Volkswagen has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.